So, my name is Alex, if you don't know me, and I'm 21 years old from Durban. And today I'm just going to be sharing with you how I tint my brows using the Julienne Brow Tint kit. The Julienne team is online, and I think they've said hello to me, so you can pop them any questions or queries that you may have in the comments below, and I'm sure that they'll be really quick to answer those. Okay, and also, this is really exciting. To say thank you for watching, they have a surprise for you at the end, so make sure that you stay till the very end because you don't want to miss out on this. It's really important before tinting your brows to read the little information leaflet that it comes with. This is it. Basically tells you everything that you need to know about the product and the steps that you need to follow to make sure your brows come out looking good. It's also really important that you test the product on your skin, leaving it on for 48 hours before, just to make sure you don't have any reactions. So you can test that on your arm or wherever, just to check it out. Okay, so now we can get started. It's really simple. I mean, it's 3 very basic steps just to prepare, apply, and then remove. So, to start, I'm going to prepare. So you take the little spoolie that comes in the box, and I'm just making sure my eyebrows are a nice shape and that all the hairs are in place. Make sure that you've waxed, plucked, tweezed, whatever you do to keep the shape of your brows nice. And then I'm going to take an earbud and I put some petroleum jelly on the end of it, or Vaseline, or whatever you want to use. And I'm just going to put this around the skin on my brow, just to make sure that if any of the product does get on the skin, that it doesn't stain it. Sorry, clearly multitasking is not my strong point. Okay, that's one brow. Need a bit more. It's just like a little protective layer, so that you can kind of keep in the lines. It's not really necessary if you feel you can get it on perfectly, but I just like to do it. It makes me feel safer. Okay, so then the next step is to make your little mix. So this is the tint, and this is the creamer. So you can just put equal parts of that into the mixing bowl, which is this. That comes in the box, so that's really cool. So I put 1 centimeter to 1 centimeter. You can put 1.5 or 1.5, however much you feel is necessary. And then I've pre-mixed it, so you can do that just into a really good, nice paste. You can see, mixed it really well. And then I'm going to apply it to my brows. So make sure that you are generous and that you cover all the hairs, because you don't want it to be left patchy. Filling it in. I'll go back and clean up just now. It's okay if you get it on the skin because we put the Vaseline there. The other one. Yo, that was messy. That's okay. Okay, let me take my earbud. Just clean that area. I think it's probably because I'm a little bit shaky. Okay, I missed a spot here. Okay. So that's that. Look a little bit like an angry bird right now, but that's okay. I'm just going to check the time because I'm going to leave it on for 3 minutes. So you can leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes. I've chosen to do 3 because I'm quite fair and I didn't want something too dark, you know. But maximum is probably 10 minutes, so it's just up to you. Play around, see what works for you. Today I've used the light brown, which is number 4. There is a dark brown for those who are wanting something stronger and more intense. But if you fair and those are a bit, I don't know what the word is, like polar opposites for you, you can actually mix the dark brown and the light brown together to get your happy medium. So I think if I was going out a lot and it wasn't really lockdown and I had parties or events at night and I wanted a more intense look, then I would probably mix the two of them. But I think I just want a more natural everyday look. So that's what I've gone for today. And then just a few things that I love about the product. So it says it all, it's a kit. That's probably my favorite. So it comes with everything you need. The little spoolie, the primer or peroxide, and then the tint. Most brands, I know you just have to buy the tint and then you've got to go get the peroxide separately. So this is everything you need. It's super convenient. And it's only, I'm just watching the time, it's only 119 Rand. For a student, that's really cost effective. I mean, if you go to a salon or whatever, I think it's like 70 Rand a go, and this you can use it whenever you want, wherever, however many times, and it lasts up to 6 weeks, which is super cool, and it's easy to use. I mean, it's those 3 simple steps I said in the beginning, which is to prepare, apply, and then remove. So that's really great about it. And then my other favorite feature, possibly my best, is the fact that it's cruelty-free. And I think it's really important that a brand like this, particularly a beauty brand, is aware of the issues that face its industry today, such as testing on animals. So I think it's really great that they're conscious of that as well. I'm definitely going to be continuing this after lockdown. Okay, so 1 minute to go, and I'll explain to you how I wipe it off. So it's up to you. You can use a damp little cleaning wipe, or you can use a dry one. So I'm just going to make this one a little bit damp. I have a bowl of water here. Okay, so my 3 minutes is up. So it's 3 wipes. The first one is to get the majority off. Second one is just to get the excess. And the third one, you can just move from your temple towards the bridge of your nose, just to get any that's on the skin off. Okay, I'll brush it back. And then the other one. So mine have come out really natural. They just look a bit like stronger and more defined, which I really like. Doesn't look like I've got these caterpillars on my face. So yeah, it's really as simple as that. Don't be afraid, like if you've gone a bit darker and left it for longer, it can stain the skin underneath the hair. But after a few face washes, it'll be fine, and it will look a lot more natural. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you for watching to the end. And as a part of watching to the end, the Julienne team is going to be giving away some brow tinting kits. So all you have to do is email to the address below, and the first 5 people to do so will be the lucky winners of some brow tinting kits. So there's 5 up for grabs, so make sure you're really quick. I'll do that now. And then on top of that, if you visit their page and you make a purchase tonight before midnight, you will also automatically, my cousin, come do mine. Hello, Nicole. Sorry, let me restart that. If you visit their page tonight before midnight, you will automatically receive a brow tint hamper. So make sure you head on over, and it's www.myjulienne.com, and check out the entire range that they have to offer and make a purchase on something you really love or attracts you. Thank you again for watching, and I'm sorry for the delay. Hope to see you all soon. Bye.